Alright, what up, y'all? So this is here, separate project. This is getting underglow and flow. What you call them? The chasing DRL strips, flow series. That's the word. But we ain't here for that right now. That'll be like whatever video, not tomorrow, but like 2 days from now, whatever day this come out. But anyway, spacers came in, so these are 1.5 inch. Got these off of eBay. So we're gonna bolt these up to get this factory wheel to poke out a little bit so it'll fit this wide body until the new wheels get in. But yeah, this is what we on today. So here we go. So wheels are off. This is the spacer. It's hub centric, so the new wheel will sit right on it, and it's also wider on the inside, so it'll fit over this hub without it being all the weight sitting on the actual lugs. So see, perfect fit. So everything's balanced and nice. The weight is on the hub, not on the studs, on these studs. So it's got these small open end lug nuts. So these will go on here. And as you can see, the studs sit in, so I don't have to shave anything because the spacer pokes out far enough to where the studs sit inside this hole. So I'm gonna go ahead and bolt these up, start pattern like always, and then I can bolt the wheel up and we can see what we're looking like. Spacer is bolted up nice and tight, nothing is sticking through, so let's stick this wheel back on there. So here we are, 1.5 inch spacers. I'm definitely gonna have to lower this thing just a little bit, but this is the rim sticking out with the 1.5. Helps a lot. Still gonna be a little bit better once I get the new wheels in. The lower offset should stick it out just a little bit more, but that helps a lot. So 1.5, you can see the difference. So yeah, pretty much just waiting on the new wheels now. And while I wait, get the paint done on these. But this is where we at. So I will catch y'all in the next one.